Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on viewing the system information on the Seat Arona. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Press the menu button to the right of the screen. Then choose System. Scroll down the System settings and tap System Information. Here you can see the car's system information. You can see the part number, hardware version, software version, and Bluetooth version. You can scroll down to see the customer version. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Seat Arona tips and tricks.